opinion, best Minecraft cake ideas. Diamond block cake. Here are step-by-step instructions for building a diamond block cake in Minecraft. 1. Gather materials. You'll need the following: diamond blocks, at least 18. Can be mined with an iron or diamond pickaxe. Cake, at least 1 cake. Crafted with wheat, sugar, eggs and milk. Signs, at least 2. Crafted from wooden planks and sticks. Ladders, at least 2. Crafted from wooden sticks. 2. Build the base. Place down 1 cake on top of a block or the ground. Surround the cake with 8 diamond blocks, 1 on each side. 3. Build the layers. On top of the base layer, stack 2 more layers of diamond blocks in the same pattern around cakes. So you'll have 3 cakes stacked with diamond blocks surrounding them. 4. Add decorations. Place a ladder on 2 opposite sides of the cake to look like candles. Put signs on the other 2 sides. You can write on them, for example, happy birthday. 5. Finishing touches. If desired, surround the bottom layer with extra diamond blocks or other decorative blocks like gold, emerald, etc. Light the area around the cake to show off the diamonds. And that's it. You now have an impressive, shiny diamond block cake in Minecraft to celebrate with. Enjoy. Minecraft TNT cake. Minecraft creeper cake. Pickaxe cake. Real life Minecraft cake. Minecraft village cake. Minecraft dirt block cake. Minecraft crafting table cake. Minecraft cakes for boys. Easy Minecraft cake.